Welcome to the Tool Hut channel. Today we have a 2008 Saturn Vue. We're programming the transmission control module, and we're going to be using the new Techline Connect or SPS2 from General Motors. Frustration is about to happen. Watch and learn. While you got a second, why don't you go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified when stuff comes out. I welcome any questions or comments you may have down below. Okay, first things first. Any of the equipment that you see used in my videos is available on the website. If it's not there, send me an inquiry off the website, toolhutusa.com. That's TOOLHUT USA.com. My name is Sam. Okay, so we have a 2008 Saturn Vue that the shop has replaced the transmission in. We're going to reprogram the transmission control module. Just want you to understand, I have already downloaded Techline Connect. This will be my first successful program with it. I've tried several times to get to this point. I got several calls into tech support, got several emails into tech support, but I thought I'd walk it through with you. But I want you to be clear that I do have Techline Connect already downloaded and supposedly set up. So I am going to do another video on downloading it and setting it up. It's not going to be in this video. So we're just going to go through the process of programming the transmission control module in this Saturn Vue with SPS2 or Techline Connect or whatever you want to call it. Watch and learn. Okay, so we're getting logged in here. We have to download or launch the Techline Connect from inside the once you're logged in, and then it does a bunch of updates. Does this every time you log in. Like I said in the beginning, this is the first time I've been successful using this program. So the advice I have for you, if this is your first time using it, is make sure you got some time. I probably got 30 minutes into this software to get to this point, and they've done numerous updates on it. So it does just take time. It is different. It is kind of what we're stuck with now, so we might as well learn how to use it, right? I can tell you that whoever invented this software had never worked in a shop as a flat rate technician before, because this is the slowest thing I've ever seen as far as just getting started. It was super complicated to get going. Comes up with a vehicle selection. We are just going to hit connect vehicle because the only thing that got changed in this vehicle is the transmission control module. So it does some connections. You see up at the top where it IDs my vehicle, and it detected my MDI2. So we're going to click on the SPS2 button, and it's going to go through some checks here. It is different than what we're used to, but like I said, it is the wave of the future. So it's time to move on. And I select programming process. We are replacing the transmission control module, or the transmission shop. Replace the transmission control module. And same as always, we got the ECM and TCM in sequence that we have to program. We're just going to hit the next button. They're doing away with the old system that we're used to, so this is the new stuff. Now I have sped up a lot of this process, and like I said, I did have the basics for this installed on my computer before I started recording here, because I have tried a couple of different cars with it unsuccessfully. So up at the top, we got our engine control module and our transmission control module tabs. This is not applicable on the transmission. I'm assuming that means I got to make a choice. So I open it up and I go down inside and I see one of the spots. It wants a choice. So it says select this only to address customer complaint. I'm not addressing a customer complaint. So it is blue now. So now I'm going to hit the next button. I just want to make sure everything's got a check mark in it, and it does. I did not really look to determine what all it was changed. I know it's a new controller, so that's all I really needed to know. It does download the calibration from the server, and then it programs the transmission control module. Over on the left-hand side, you'll start to see some check marks that downloading and verified tabs or checks are there. And now it's programming the transmission control module. Now I did speed this up quite a bit, so we don't just have to sit here and watch the blue bar go across. We can watch it go across to some speed. It tells me that the transmission control module passed and it skipped the engine control module function. Now, after I do these, I do like to clear DTCs. Now, I did check for codes prior to programming this just to verify there was nothing that really stood out. There was some codes in it, but nothing I was really concerned with. So I'm going to hit the clear DTC button. I'm going to let it do the clear DTC from within the program here. This is the money page, as we call it. This is the page that says we get paid. I'm just going to let it clear the codes. It's not going to check them here. And then once it clears the codes here, we're pretty much done. I just kind of wanted to walk through the process of using the Techline Connect or SPS2. It is different. It's slow, and hopefully the future will get us more used to this. So it says the code has been successfully cleared, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments down below. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell if you want to be notified when more stuff comes out. And have a great day. While you got a second, why don't you go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified when stuff comes out. I welcome any questions or comments you may have down below.